all started as a mission to reach the unreached and plant the message of truth and love in every heart and household. This 2024, Zoe Broadcasting Incorporated celebrates 33 years of unwavering commitment to advancing God's kingdom. For over 3 decades, Zoe Broadcasting Network has transformed and uplifted lives in the Philippines and all over the world by producing and broadcasting competitive, creative, informative, and values-oriented content for the glory of God. 33 years of passionate and wholehearted love for God, selfless service, creativity, courage, integrity, excellence, and teamwork. Zoe Broadcasting Network Incorporated remains devoted to becoming the most trusted, world-class multimedia network, and will continue to be the light for the world and invest in eternity. Here's to 33 years and 33 years more. Happy anniversary, Zoe Broadcasting Network Incorporated.
Salamat po sa pribilehiyo po at sa mga at sa mga pagkakas. Patuloy po namin kailangan kasama sa ingat na sa gayon. Patuloy po namin maisulong ang kami dito sa buhay. Pagpanibaguhin po ng lakas, ilusugan sigla sa aming pagsunod sa iyo. Ito po ang aming dalangin sa pangalan ng iyong anak na si Jesus, ang aming Panginoon at ang Panginoon. Amen.
This is DZOE-TV 11, a commercial TV station with 100 kilowatt transmitting power, owned and operated by Zoe Broadcasting Network Incorporated, with station license number BSD-0025-2024 REN, issued by the National Telecommunications Commission, valid until March 11, 2025. Zoe TV 11 studios are located at the 22nd floor Strata 3000 building, Emerald Avenue, Ortigas Center, Pasig City, with transmitter at Barangay San Roque, Antipolo City. Zoe TV 11 operates under the supervision of the following professional electronics engineers duly licensed by the Professional Regulation Commission. Engineer Antonio P. Soriano, PDCE number 42. Engineer Vincent Quirón Quillo, PDCE number 1199. And Gary Allen, by the following electronics and communications engineers and technicians, duly licensed by the Professional Regulation Commission and National Telecommunications Commission. Engineer Rachel Ann S. Roque, ECE number 66327. Engineer Jed Edison C. Zapanta, ECE number 62739. Engineer James Stephen N. Pablos, ECE number 70940. Engineer Abraham G. Aragon, ECE number 63291. Engineer Jewel M. Callejo, ECE number 75471. Engineer Jack Michael B. David, ECE number 68369. Charlie F. Perez, 06-1PHN-2BP57. Peter N. Basaliote, 06-1PNCR-23273. Gerard Lawrence O. Sandaton, 06-1CV-23313. All programs telecasts on this station have been approved by the TV and Television Review and Classification Board and are seen via satellite on 5 stations nationwide. BTV20 Cebu City, BTV20 Guimaras, BTV20 Cagayan de Oro City, BTV20 Davao City, BTV50 Baguio. This is Zoe TV11, now signing off.